have this that is brand new today.
Yep.
So this is your embroidered Prince Charming V-neck top. It's $49.98. Look at that.
So you get the charm.
$16.66 to get home on an easy pay. It's A681273. Look at that cute little charm that's hanging off of there. This color is called Shadow Pink. That's beautiful. I mean, come on. That just makes you happy. Stop it. Ivory with the little shamrocks.
Don't delay.
We are ready for it. That's coming up in March, by the way.
Yes.
So, I mean, hello, sky blue. And that's it. Those are your three colors.
That's
extra, extra small to 5X. Your dragonflies are on that gorgeous sky blue. This brand new today, only order of the year. Let's talk about it.
So just from the name, nothing is printed here. Okay, it's just a fun play on Prince Charming because of the charm dangle, right?
Yes.
60% cotton, 40% polyester, 3/4 length sleeves, that nice deep V, and that corsage effect of the beautiful embroidery accented with stones. The detail is really stunning. And
very
then,
feminine.
Very feminine.
Yeah.
So years and years ago, Monifa, when our Jean Bice was still with us, she was working with the design team and she said, Susan, give me a dangle. I need a dangle.
Love it.
And the one top that we started with the dangles, we still have in stock.
Wow.
This many years later, Jean will be gone 14 years in June, right?
Wow.
So crazy, crazy, crazy. But we still, like I said, we wanted to pay homage to her.
Yes.
And then, so with this dangle, and of course with the daisy,
Yeah.
daisies, shamrocks, or clovers, and dragonflies have been really important motifs in our brand since the early days. And so I love how our team continues to reinvent these important motifs and make them fresh, fun, and new.
Yeah, look at it. I mean, come on.
Yes, the
look how
dragonfly.
beautiful that dragonfly is. Look at that.
This goes perfectly with your nails.
They do. Listen, the shirt that I have on today goes really well with them as well. But yeah, these are fun. I mean, this is what they're known for.
Classic Quacker.
Classic Quacker right here. Like just beautiful springtime, right? Puts me right in the mood. St. Patrick's Day, there you go.
Yep.
And then another beautiful springtime or summer version of a shirt that you can wear all year long, obviously. Easy, beautiful fabrications. I mean, look at the girls. Angela and Crystal look super
really
cute in these tops. 26.5 inches long to 32.5 inches long. Extra, extra small to 5X. So brand new today. That just premiered earlier this morning. And so you are literally the second to shop for these. Really nice to start to refresh your spring wardrobe. I know I am.
Absolutely. Angela's 5'9". She's wearing the extra large. Crystal's 5'3".
And that
She's
medium.
wearing the size medium. So you can see how this is fitting them. Our clothes are not made tight.
No.
They're not made close to the body. It's semi-fitted.
Yeah.
So it's going to hit you at the shoulder and just ease over the body.
Nice around the bust and then just kind of relaxes all the way through, which we appreciate. You know, I'm not a girl who will want stuff, you know, clinging to my body anyway. I don't need to show off all of that. Everybody don't need to see it.
I always say when they're feeding my mic, I'm like, I like it to go down my back. And they're like, why? I'm like, I don't need any extra lumps or bumps.
Don't need it.
Don't need it.
Don't need it.
I don't want to put it in the back.
Right. So I appreciate the fact that that's thought about with this brand, and especially, you know, with the tops too, but really not taking away from all the gorgeous silhouettes that Quacker is known for. And this is it. So if you are a collector or you love this brand and you're looking for something that's new and you're spring dreaming like we all are, or maybe you just happen to live somewhere that's already warm and you're starting to refresh your wardrobe a little bit, this is a really nice one to add to your collection.
Indeed.
So do you love the daisies? You just got to pick out the color and the motif that you like. If you love daisies with this gorgeous shadow pink,
which is
I
a
think
brand
that would
new
be
color.
So pretty.
We also have it in Dream Jeans, the shadow pink.
Ooh.
Yes, which debuted a couple weeks ago. So keep that in mind.
Okay.
And I love that we did this in the pastels because
I do too.
You know, in the winter,
Yeah, you
I
need
love
it.
a pastel.
You need it. This beautiful ivory has those gorgeous shamrocks there.
And you've been
lucky
asking for
clovers.
more St. Patrick's Day type tops, so this is the first one of the season.
I love that one. First one, so don't wait on it. Why? Just get it now. That's what I always say. Don't wait on the other ones. Just, if you love it, just pick it up now while we still have it, because these tops do tend to sell out, and they always are all the only order of the year. So I wouldn't wait on that one, especially with the little dangle, right? Yeah. And then this beautiful sky blue with those gorgeous dragonflies.
Love that. And look at the detail. I mean, John Schrader, our artist, puts in so much thought and detail of the colors, where they're placed, how the dragonflies are, positioned, accented with those really pretty stones. This is embroidered through and through. This is not printed on. And then I'm not really seeing any metallic threads, so if you are hypersensitive, you should be good. And then of course that fun little dangle, that's our homage to Jean.
The ivory, which I kind of figured it would be, it's the most popular choice because it's coming up. Listen, February is here in a couple of days. Can you believe that? January is gone.
Yeah.
Like in a
Friday.
flash,
in a
it's
flash.
gone. So we're already starting to think about March. A lot of us are already starting to think about spring. And I know St. Patrick's Day is a huge holiday in a lot of different places. You have beautiful parades celebrating Irish culture. So it's really nice to have something like this to do that. So, and again, maybe you're doing something with the kids at school. I remember those days. There was always something around, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, all of those wonderful holidays. So it's nice to kind of, just wear something like this as a nod to an acknowledgement of the day. So really, I see why that one's very popular.
And you won't get pinched.
You won't get pinched.
You won't get pinched.
So, and then the last option right here is that beautiful daisy in that shadow pink. And I love that you said this is a new color. And we have dream jeans in it. We don't have them in our show today.
No.
But there are dream jeans that you can shop for in that shadow pink. So if you do want something that matches back, you can go to .com and find those. 3/4 sleeves too, which again, our girl loves. She loves her 3/4 sleeves because she can wear them all year long.
Absolutely. And that's the thing too. Like if you're short, you can wear a 3/4 length sleeve. If you're tall or you have broad shoulders and long arms like I do, I can wear a 3/4 length sleeve. So it just makes it more wearable for more people, because we're not designing for just one person.
That's right.
We're designing for many, many people. And you can, see on Ashley is that beautiful, extra small. I believe she's 5'8". Just looks great on her. I mean, this is a nice, beautiful way to add a little pop of something to your wardrobe for the spring and beyond.
Do you machine wash it with the dangle? It
what
says machine wash, tumble dry.
Inside out.
Just inside out.
Inside out.
Yeah, just inside out.
I take a little extra precaution. Tops like this, I put inside of a lingerie bag. And so that it's not catching on anything in the washing machine.
To be honest, I normally dry not hand dry, but like hang up some of my things to dry sometimes. I might let it tumble through the dryer a few times and then I'll take it out kind of while it's still a little damp and then I'll hang it up.
Yeah.
That's kind of how I do pretty much all my stuff, if I'm honest about it. But look, these are gorgeous. You don't have to do that. You can just let it tumble dry low until it's dry. Just do it inside out and you'll be just fine. But they're such really unique tops. This is what we know and love this brand for. And this is the new one for the season. It's the only order of the year. It's the first one you're seeing with the shamrock. Already we have it out, so get it while we have it, because once it's gone, not coming back next year, it'll be something different. And what's nice is we're seeing all of these new fun designs because it's the 30th anniversary.
Yes. Absolutely. Yeah, we never know if we'll be bringing something back.
Right.
So if you're loving it, definitely scoop it up.
Grab her. All right,
it up.
There it is again in the shadow pink. Love the shamrocks in this gorgeous ivory. And then your beautiful dragonflies are in the sky blue. Extra, extra small to 5X. Those are your sizes there. It is brand new today. Only order of the year. So whichever color we have, we have it and we have it in your size, grab that. It's A618273.